Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you best swing trading stocks for next week. That is for the week of 1st to 5th February 2021. First stock I have selected is Tata Steel. As you can see, we can draw a horizontal line up to current market price. And incidentally, we can also find long wick candle, and there are many of them. And look at the volume activity for current week. It has diminished, which means that sellers have taken cognizance of the support level and they are not interested in pushing the price lower than 600. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, the support level is bang on 600 rupees. If I do analysis on lower time frame, the same thing can be found out. Multiple long wick candle indicating slowing down of selling pressure on hourly chart. See, three consecutive, not three, out of four, three bearish candles can be found, which means that just looking at this particular price action, buyers should come in and push the price in the vicinity of maybe around 650, if not that higher than 640 looks a reasonable target. Second stock is JSW Steel. Similar to Tata Steel, though the weekly candle doesn't have a longer wick on the lower side, but volume activity has not increased significantly and the price is trading just above a support level which is situated at 350. So two things can happen. Price can go lower and find support around 350, or it can just reverse if price goes above 370. Let me take you to daily chart. As you can see, this is a strong level of support. In hourly chart, this is a long wick candle. Let me take you to 15-minute chart. We can also see two long wick candle, but it does not have that much significance because even after this huge long bearish candle having longer wick, price still went lower than the low of the wick, which means that sellers were able to negate the any sort of buying pressure if there was a bid shown by buyers. So best way to trade is to trade on reversal at 350. If price shows any sign of reversal above 370, then I don't see any problem that anything that can stop JSW Steel from touching levels in upwards of 400 plus. Third stock for swing trading is Bharat Forge. Just like our previous two stocks, Bharat Forge, we can also spot a support level along with multiple long wick candle on the level of around 585, and just look at the volume activity for current week. If you just gonna look at formation of entire week's candle, you will scream that uh, bears have taken the price lower and they should push the price even lower in coming week. But volume can tell you a different story. If I go to daily chart, see here price not that this particular level of 556 was serving as a decent support level, but I think the support is elevated to 583. Just look at the consolidation happening here in form of lower volumes. So lower volumes level always indicate that either there is a consolidation, reversal, or a breakout is going to happen. But looking at longer wicks, one here, let me take you to hourly chart and see if we can find heap of long wick candles. Same thing can be found in 15-minute chart as well. So level of 583 is definitely acting as a support level, and if Bharat Forge shows any signs of reversal on the back of rising volume, I do not see anything which can stop Bharat Forge from going above the round number of 600 in next week. Fourth and final stock is Sun Pharma. So here in Sun Pharma, on daily chart we can draw a trend line. Let me draw and choose a horizontal line like this. So this is a trend line. Oh, select it. Let me draw it much more concisely. So I'm selecting a thicker line. Yeah, so this is the one. And here, though we can see longer wick candle above the breakout zone, but there was a consolidation around the support level of 570 to 572. On the hourly chart, see here, price came lower to levels of 555, then it was pushed higher. Again, pay attention to this candle. It has longer wick on the upper side, and then though it went lower, but there is a wick on the lower side as well, which means that this particular level, both buyers and sellers are finding difficult to push the price of over 590, and talking about sellers, they are finding it difficult to push the price below 580. So one of them has to win, and looking at the price action, I can see sellers buyers coming on top, and this can propel Sun Pharma to this particular high, which is located around 625 or 620. So based on the analysis you just saw, I have given you levels that you can see in front of you. So these are I have not gone for huge targets. I have kept it conservative because the way market is going these days, no stock has just went into either uptrend or in downtrend. It is going in a zigzag manner, which means that it goes up then comes down. So in that case, it just becomes difficult to set a higher target. But still, this is what I have come up with. I'm going to share this in my Telegram channel as well. You can find the link. You can see the link in my description box of this video. Thank you for watching.